Thank you, Honorable Vijaynath, for that question. Some parts of the roads have, of course, deteriorated, and I acknowledge that it has become noticeable. The challenges faced include prolonged unfavorable weather conditions, which have significantly affected road maintenance and construction works. So government has allocated a significant budget to FRA for the improvement of road infrastructure and its maintenance works across the country. This includes road maintenance, which are in progress in Lambasa, Sianganga, Sabsab, including the alternative route from Sabsab along Buda Bay to Natea West Coast and further towards Cortaser and Arambale when you call in the Lambasa route. Works are in progress for Sabsab to Lambasa via Nobowalu Road and the Transisla Road. This includes drainage clearing efforts and high shoulder removal, which are ongoing along Nambowalu to Gelawanga, Oilebu village in Lambasa. The roadside mowing and pothole patching are taking place through Sianganga, and rip and remake works are underway through the Oneva area along Buda Bay Road. Additionally, grading and compaction works are being conducted along Natea West Coast Road, while reseeding works are also in progress along Narambala Road, Wenikoro towards Lambasa. For the sealed sections of Wenikoro Road, drainage clearing works are being undertaken from All Saints School in Wolovi towards Nangingi Flats. So, while we are making these improvements, there are also challenging areas spanning from Sabsab to Lambasa. We are addressing rip and remake and reseal, as mentioned, towards Corsair and Arambale and towards Lambasa. Unfortunately, these projects have been delayed. As you, honorable members, understand, there have been challenges, including the supply of materials, bitumen from overseas and sealing chip materials in the north. And of course, I do acknowledge that we have had issues with some contractors. Currently, we are dealing with this to expedite the progress. We are exploring the process. We are exploring alternative options in terms of tendering and awarding new maintenance contracts to other local contractors who can deliver the work efficiently and up to the standard required for the Northern Division before the end of this financial year. And of course, in the new financial year, we are putting in place extensive programs to continue to progress that. FRA will soon also be looking at awarding small works programs to local communities to ensure that there's ownership in these works, including registered youth groups and other local organizations. On the necessary supply of bitumen, we are restocking this by next month, and rip and remake programs will intensify after that. So we know the road from Sabsab to Lambasa is important, not just for travel, but for businesses, farmers, and everyday life, and we are committed to doing better in Wonolio. Thank you.